Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 10, I should say 11 or 12, 2013. I am here with my companions. I am here in this very wonderful place called the municipality of Pitogo, Zamboanga Del Sur. Saan ito ba ba? 10. 10 or 10? 10, I should say. This is the port area of Pitogo, Zamboanga Del Sur. As you can see over there are the pump boats. I don't know where are the owners of these pump boats. And this is the wharf area of Pitogo, Zamboanga Del Sur. You see over there the fresh water coming from this particular establishment. And this is a nice plant here, producing ice for their customers. Ni Loreliana, the best teacher in Iligan, and Mr. Henrigo, the handsome and at the same time beautiful rider, has very white legs.